How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys had a great week. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a few service calls and I got to reinstall this water source heat pump. Let's do some work. Ready? Ready? It's in heating mode right now. No voltage to the coil. All right, so that went well. Got the new unit up there installed. Everything started up well. Good to go there. Pretty psyched about that because we were having some major high pressure issues with that system. We finally got it taken care of, so that was really happy about that. They also had another unit they wanted me to look at, which was a reversing valve issue. And when I removed the panel, checked the voltage on the coil, there was no voltage. Thermostat just wasn't calling for it, so it was running in heat mode. So the maintenance guys are gonna swap that thermostat out and they should be good to go there. The next service call is actually a few miles down the road. It's a no cool call, so I'm gonna head over there now. All right, so on this particular no cool call, I can't find any problems. I sat there and let it run for at least 15-20 minutes, checked everything, and on my Measure Quick app, it's showing there's no faults. I have a green flag. Everything is, running at 100%, no issues. So, I inspected all the duct work, everything looked good there, supply vents, everything were open, no airflow issues. So I don't know what's going on there. The customer did say they cleaned the condenser coil, and then it did help out, but it's still not getting down to temperature. So it's about 74 degrees in there right now. So it is working, but it's just not as cold as they want it to be. That might be a situation where maybe the unit's not sized properly for the house, but the tenant says that he's been here for a couple of years and it's always been able to get down to temp. So I don't know. This week has been really hot with the heat index. I think we are around like 104, 105 degrees. So it's really, really hot outside. But I mean, other than that little drain connection not being, ran away from the unit, I didn't see anything wrong. Coils look clean. I even checked my pressures to the pressure chart on the manufacturer's print off there for the outdoor temperature and what the suction and the liquid line should be. It all matched up. So superheat subcooling. I'll probably throw up a snapshot for you so you can see what the Measure Quick was showing, but everything looked good. I didn't see any problems here, so I'm gonna roll on to the next one for now. But before I head to this next call, I'm gonna go grab me some iced coffee for the road. So I'm in the process of ordering some equipment for a couple change out jobs that are coming up, and I'm having a hard time getting the equipment to be in stock or even being anywhere close by. So this is crazy, absolutely crazy. Are you guys having the same issue where you are? Let me know down in the comments below. This is something different to deal with when you need some equipment for a change out or whatever it is, and it's just not available. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. All right, so this call was really more of an estimate on what they need to get done to get this unit back up and running properly. It's running, but it's just not keeping up. After looking into it, the whole indoor unit itself needs to be thoroughly cleaned, the blower, the coil. The coil needs to be removed in order to get it cleaned properly. The outside unit needs to be cleaned as well. So I gave him a price on basically going through the whole system, getting it cleaned up really nice, and we're gonna come back in a few days and get that done. So that pretty much wraps it up. My last call got canceled for today, so that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna go home, do some paperwork, and hang out with the family. Thanks for coming along with me, and appreciate you guys' support. We'll see you on the next one.